Today, we're looking at the best apps to help you start your Norwegian language learning journey. Norwegian is the language of a society that values equity, environmentalism, and a deep connection to nature. It's spoken in a country leading the way in green energy and social progress. Learning Norwegian means connecting with this modern, forward-thinking worldview. So let's dive into the 5 best apps for learning Norwegian. Our first and foremost recommendation is the Ling App. For a language with a unique pitch accent and cultural concepts like koselig, Ling provides the most enjoyable and well-rounded learning experience. Developed with native Norwegian speakers, Ling's lessons cover essential grammar, modern vocabulary, and cultural gems. You'll also practice with an AI chatbot and interactive stories that make learning feel warm and natural, like sitting by the fireplace on a snowy night. Next up is Duolingo, the world's most popular free language app. With its bite-sized gamified lessons, Duolingo is a fantastic entry point for beginners. Its streak feature and active community will keep you motivated as you build a strong foundation in Norwegian vocabulary and sentence structure. And in third place is Mondly. It makes learning Norwegian feel like a fun, daily challenge with its gamified lessons and competitive leaderboards. Mondly is excellent for building core vocabulary and practicing sentence construction. Its high-quality audio and speech recognition are particularly helpful for getting the hang of Norwegian's melodic intonation. Babbel offers expertly crafted Norwegian lessons that focus on practical, real-world conversations. The lessons are designed to be completed in 10 to 15-minute chunks, making it easy to fit into a busy schedule. Babbel excels at breaking down grammar in a way that's easy to understand and immediately applicable to the dialogues you're learning. And finally, Drops Norwegian is your go-to app when you simply want to learn basic vocabulary. Drops teaches an exhaustive list of vocabulary, ranging from basic day-to-day words to advanced level vocabulary. However, it's a pretty undimensional app with a sole focus on providing an extensive list of Norwegian words, so it works well as a complementary app to run alongside your main Norwegian courses. While Duolingo and Babbel are fantastic for beginners, the Ling app stands out as the most comprehensive. It's designed not only to teach you grammar and vocabulary, but also to help you understand the subtle musicality of Norwegian while connecting you with its rich culture. The best part? By learning Norwegian, you're also opening doors to understanding Swedish and Danish thanks to their close similarities. One language, 3 worlds. Start with Norwegian today and watch your Scandinavian horizons expand.